Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Bolt. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project. But before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. First of all, I want to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor, I'm just telling you about their amazing project. Hotcoin. Hotcoin is a safe, easy to trade and global crypto exchange without KYC process. First of all, I will introduce you to the Hotcoin. Hotcoin was founded in November 2017 and is a user-friendly one-stop cryptocurrency platform with over 6 years of operation. They have served over 6 million users in 97 countries and regions worldwide, holding license for cryptocurrency trading and foreign exchange in Australia, as well as an MSB license in the United States. We consistently adhere to global compliance standards. We have established Hotcoin Community Service Center in North America, Dubai, Japan, Singapore, and Hong Kong, providing 24/7 customer service to users worldwide. Their commitment is to offer secure, efficient, and diversified cryptocurrency services. Trade Hotcoin on Hotcoin. Now let's start the review. Here you can see further options like their official website, their social platforms like their Facebook, Telegram group, Instagram, Twitter account, and you can also see their white paper and Hotcoin official medium. First of all, I am telling you about their official website. The world's leading trading platform for blockchain crypto assets. Sign up now and get up to 119 USDT in reward. You can also sign up from here. Hotcoin announcement on suspending HYD deposit and withdraw. Here you can see their trading pair, last price, 24 hours change, 24 hours volume, and 24 hours change. Next we have their top traders. Start your journey of copy trading, follow top traders and earn more profits. You can also check their top traders from here. Next we have their trade cryptocurrencies on Hotcoin, emphasize asset security and trading experience. The world's leading various crypto assets and derivatives for trading, one-stop crypto assets comprehensive service platform, stable and secure. Offline storage method, multi-encryption management, a 24/7 service for comprehensive protection of user assets all year round. Easy to use, a trusted choice for users from different countries is region worldwide with multi-language options for fast and easy crypto asset trading at any time, anywhere. Ultimate service, adhering to the user-oriented, establishing service offices in several countries and regions, offering 7x24 online service for instant deposit and withdraw. Support multi-device. Stay up to date with the latest market trend and news by download Hotcoin app or desktop client. iOS and Android download, App Store, Google Play, Android APK, Windows, Mac OS and API. Trade with Hotcoin and explore more possibilities. Stay up to date with the latest market trend and news by download Hotcoin app or desktop client, as I already told you about this. Follow top traders, future copy trade, a wide range of product and master trader enables you more profit. Dive deeply into the NFT world, reveal rate mystery box in Hotcoin NFT, explore IGO and something more exciting. Hotcoin earn and finance, HODL cryptocurrencies and play around with financial products to earn substantial returns. Reach more customers with Hotcoin Pay and receive features. You can also read the further more details from here. Get up to 119 USDT for sign up. View beginner's guide. You can also view their beginner's guide from here. Here you can see their social platforms like their Facebook page, their Twitter account, their Telegram and furthermore. You must join their Telegram community for latest update. Hotcoin official. Hotcoin was founded in November 2017 and is a user-friendly one-stop cryptocurrency platform with over 6 years of operation. We have served over 6 million users in 97 countries and regions worldwide, as I already told you about this. And you must join their Twitter account. You can see their post from here. Hotcoin, a safe, easy to trade global crypto exchange with no KYC process. You can also check their links and support from here. You can also check their followers and their followings and further posts from here. You must join the social platform for latest update. This is an amazing project. Now I'm showing you their white paper. Hotcoin Global Exchange. Hotcoin is an online cryptocurrency exchange platform launched in Australia in 2017. The exchange is headquartered in Sydney, whereby the platform owner is the Hotcoin Exchange Pty Limited Company. Hotcoin is still relatively a new player within the crypto exchange industry with a reported daily volume of 3.2 billion USD, down from 4.8 billion USD in February 2021. The exchange allows users to buy, sell, trade, and even lend supported cryptocurrencies online without intermediaries by matching traders, orders, and price quotations. In addition, the exchange is secure because it carries two different operation licenses for its digital currency and forex trading from the Australian Transaction Report and Analysis Center. What separates Hotcoin from its competitors is that it is regulated and hold trading license from a renowned regulatory body. You can also read their whole white paper from here. This is an amazing project. Now I'm telling you about their further more details. VIS Brand Visual Identification System. Basics for brand visual identity. Logo guideline, color palette, typeface, logo and symbols, graphic and shape. Logo and symbol. Your company's logo is an important expression of your brand name, which conveys the vision, value, and brand belief. Each use of the logo in different scenarios contributes to the accumulation of brand assets. You can also read all information about their visual identification system. Next, we have their Hotcoin marketing department. Hotcoin, one-stop and user-friendly cryptocurrency trading platform. Hotcoin trading on Hotcoin 2024 user profile. You can also see their user profile from here. 6 million plus users, 500 plus cryptos. Hotcoin, 30k DAU daily users, 500 million plus USDT daily trading volume, 2 million plus user platform assets count per week. Why choose Hotcoin? Over 6 million users worldwide choose our platform in operation for more than 6 years. You can also see their ranking in the top 30 exchange on CoinMarketCap. And here you can see their ranking in the top 15 exchange. Here you can see their whole details about Hotcoin marketing. Next we have their Hotcoin Coal Incentives. Hotcoin Coal Incentive Plan. Hotcoin Introduction. Hotcoin was founded in November 2017 and is a user-friendly one-stop cryptocurrency platform with over 6 years of operation. We have served over 6 million users in 97 countries and regions worldwide, as I already told you about this. You can also read their all details about their coal incentives. Next we have their Hotcoin Deck. Hotcoin, user-friendly one-stop cryptocurrency asset platform. Here you can see their table of contents, overview of Hotcoin, development path of Hotcoin, why choose Hotcoin, Hotcoin business strategic layouts, security guarantee, overview of listed project partner, partnership, market dynamics. Here you can see their all details about Hotcoin. Last one is Hotcoin Capital. From here you can read about Hotcoin Capital's vision, investment areas, project support, found strategy and past investment achievements, standard pre-investment process and risk control, and how to contact them. Introduction to Hotcoin Capital. Web3 Venture Capital Funds, a subsidiary of the world's leading Hotcoin trading platform. March 2023, Hotcoin Capital was established. $15 million. The fund has an initial size of Hotcoin. Hotcoin focuses on investing in promising projects in cutting-edge areas such as DeFi, NFT, Layer 2, SocialFi, GameFi, and leads the infrastructure development of Web3 through a combination of primary market venture capital and secondary market hedge fund strategies. We manage investment portfolios to bring interactive returns to investors. You can read their all details about Hotcoin. This is an outstanding project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.